So you think, well, that's all well and good. I've got a bunch of tens up here. I can slide them over to the ones place. I've got some hundreds here. I can slide them over to the tens place. What about if I don't have any tens to slide over? What I like to do is I like to start with our ones column here. And I always make a little box around here when I'm showing people this to help see it visually. So we've got our 3 ones minus our 6 ones. I incorporate, or I group together, the hundreds and the tens. So now instead of saying I have 0 tens and 5 hundreds, I'm saying that I have 50 tens and 3 ones. It's the same thing. These are our hundreds. We got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. But what are they? Each one of them is 10 tens. So really I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 tens. And that's going to help me save a step when I do my borrowing. I look at the neighbor next door. It's now 50. What do? I step it down one step. I take 1 10 away, because remember now I have 50 of these guys here. So instead of 5 hundreds and 0 tens, I now pretend that I have 50 tens, and I can take one of those away very easily. 49. So now I have 49 tens and 13 ones. It saves me a step. So now I can do my subtraction. I can go 13 minus 6 is 7. And then 49 minus 29, well, that's much more manageable. I can think of 49 to 29 a lot easier. I can go 9 minus 9 is 0, and then 4 minus 2 is 2. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to copy these two problems down on a sheet of paper and solve it using a pencil. When you have finished solving them, come back, unpause the video, and check your work and see how you did. So go ahead and pause now, and when you're ready, come back, unpause, and check your work. Go ahead. Okay, so hopefully that you've come back now and you've got these solved and you're ready to check your work. The first answer you should have got 91. I didn't have to do any borrowing here because I had 6 minus 5 equals 1. This one I had to because I had 13 minus 4. Okay, so you should have gotten 282. I did use the grouping strategy where I thought of this as 60 and 0 rather than 600, 0 tens, and 0 ones. So it just saves me a step.